My third most favorite feature within DESelect is creating pick lists. So again, within the administration panel, you're able to create pick lists that are then available to use within segmentations. What's so nice about the pick list feature is that it really removes the room for error if someone has a typo in creating a segmentation filter. That can't be the case anymore, or having the values, you need to remember them by heart, what value is there, especially if you're working with technical names within your data extensions, like API names that come through from Sales and Service Cloud, but you don't want to display that to the user when filtering on it. You can define a value and a label for that, just in order to make it clearer for your users. And the good thing about that is you don't need to know all the names and type them in, because there's also a feature that retrieves the values. So if I want to have the product families of my products data extension, I just put a name in for my pick list. Then I select the data extension, which in that case is the products data extension, and then I'm able to select a field. In that case, there's multiple fields, but we're interested on the product family. With the product family, everything is good to go, and I could add values manually here. But in our case, I just want to retrieve them from the data extension, because all the values that are in the data extension are also relevant for me. So I'm just clicking on retrieve values, then I get the information that depending on the size of the data extension, or what data is in there, it can take a while for all those values to fetch. But that's fine for us. We don't have too much information in there already, because it's just our test data, so it should go quite quickly. And in a couple of minutes, we are gonna see already all the values that we've retrieved, and we could then put a label for the values in there, in case we want to use something different than we are having in our data extension.